War never changes.
Actually, war has never been so much fun. And it's because of Cannon Fodder for the Amiga, which I'm just going to try out. My brother got me a copy of this from eBay. He just spotted it on eBay and he said he'll buy it for me. And he sent it to me. And I haven't tried this yet, so I'm just going to give it a go. So this video is just going to be me giving this a go. And he's got a YouTube channel where he reviews like old adventure games and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, have a look at that kind of thing. But in the meantime, what are the chances of this actually working? The box is a bit dented, but it looks all right. And the discs actually look like they're in mint condition, and the manual does as well. So I'll put the manual to one side, and what we really want to know, are these discs any good? That's the question. They're nearly 30 years old. Are they going to work? And I've actually had a sneak peek, like just in the disc there, and it doesn't look too bad. I can't see any mold or scratches or anything like that. It says to load, insert disk 1 into your boot drive and turn on the computer. Well, my computer's already on. It's making a noise. Seller said it was untested. Oh, it's doing something. Doesn't look good though. Doesn't sound like it's doing anything. Maybe, let's just give it a minute. Let's turn that off. Let's give this a quick look, see if it's destroyed itself. It looks all right. So let's just give it one more try. It did seem to initially do something, and then it's like finding the boot block and then a couple of accesses. Oh yeah! Well, it's working so far. There they are. Right, well, I'll put this intro on at the end if anybody wants to see it. It's just such a great soundtrack, so. Right, is disc 2 going to work? Disc 2 looks alright. I can see a little blemish there. Let's see how it goes. Oh, here we go. Here's your little guys. This is so good. We've got Jules, Jops. Is that it? So I assume I won't need disc 3 for a while. I bet disc 3 never got loaded. I had this game back in the day. I don't remember anything about it anymore. I remember getting to the Iceland or Reykjavik level, I think. And I think that was it. That's probably as far as I got. Kill all enemy. Kill with 2 soldiers you must kill all enemy. Go for it, okay. So I assume the intro level is quite easy. How do I shoot? Don't remember. Right trigger it is. Oh, gotta get a bit closer. Oh yeah. So it said on the box that, what did it say? Love this, hero to victory. This is great. Yeah, it says needs at least 1 megabyte of memory, or supports extra memory above 1 megabyte and 1 or more additional disk drives. So this got 2 megabytes this Amiga, so in theory, I think once you load stuff, maybe it doesn't have to keep loading it, it'll try and keep it in memory. Works with A500, 1500, 2600 and 1200. So the 1200 must have been out at the time this was made, or at least the time the sticker was put on it. Oh, 3 soldiers. Oh, I vaguely remember this. Oh, I'm getting attacked already. It said you'll see a bird in the manual. There's the bird. I think you can probably shoot the bird, can't you? And I suppose I can split this team up, can I? But I don't know how to do that. Oh God, the blood. Can I shoot the bird? Oh, come on. Can't shoot the bird. Oh yeah. Oh, fade's complete. It's not mission complete. Press and hold the right hand mouse button and press left hand mouse button to make the troop leader throw a grenade. Okay. Oh Jesus! Oh, I lost a guy. Oh no! That barrel was a bit close for comfort. Oh, there we go. I lost a guy though. That's not good. Is he going to get his little gravestone? Oh no! Who did I lose? Jules! I'm so sorry. There you go, there's his little grave. Oh no. Look, these are my troops, these are all the live. Basically, these are the lives you get in this game. This hill can end up full of dead bodies. Anyway, there it is. I'm going to continue playing that in the future. This is like an all-time classic for the Amiga. Cannon Fodder. This is an awesome game. So I'm going to give that a go, see how far I can get. I actually need to get a disc to save to. But yeah, what a classic game. So there it is, it's just me playing Cannon Fodder this video, but pretty good, like it.
Never been so much fun. 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 Go to your brother. Never been so much fun. 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 Go to your brother, kill him with your gun, leave him lying in his uniform, dying in the sun. Kill him with your gun, 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 kill him with your gun. So much fun. Go.